Journey through time, mastering time expressions in simple past tense. Hello everyone and welcome back to our series on verb tenses. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the simple past tense, focusing specifically on common time expressions. Time expressions give context to our conversations, and they're a key element in communicating effectively in English. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. Time expressions are phrases or words that provide information about when an action took place. In the simple past tense, these expressions often pinpoint a specific time in the past. For example, we might use words like yesterday, last week, or 3 days ago. Let's look at some sentences. 1. Yesterday, I went to the gym. 2. I saw a movie last week. 3. 3 days ago, we had a picnic in the park. In each sentence, the time expression gives us information about when the action occurred. Let's dive into some of the most common time expressions used with the simple past tense. 1. Yesterday. This refers to the day before today. 2. Last night, last week, last month, last year, last is used to refer to the period immediately preceding the current one. 3. Ago. This word is used to talk about a specific amount of time that has passed. For example, 2 days ago, 3 years ago. 4. In 2020, in January, in the 19th century, in can be used with a specific year, month or period. 5. On Monday, on the 21st of June, on is used with days and dates. Remember, the simple past tense is used for completed actions in the past, and these time expressions help to specify when those actions took place. The position of these time expressions can usually be at the start or the end of the sentence. Here are a couple of examples. 1. Yesterday, I visited my grandparents. 2. I visited my grandparents yesterday. Both sentences are correct, and they mean the same thing. But, by changing the position of the time expression, you can change the emphasis of your sentence. And that wraps up our discussion on common time expressions in the simple past tense. Remember, understanding and correctly using these expressions can greatly improve your English fluency and comprehension. So, keep practicing these time expressions in your daily conversations to get a good grasp of them. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has been helpful and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!